Chicken is a great, lean, complete protein source. And when I say complete, it means that it has all the essential amino acids that we need as humans in order to function. Which is a little bit different from if you are vegetarian and eating vegetarian sources of protein. You might hear that you need to pair different proteins together in order to get that complete protein. So chicken is that complete protein source, and protein is a great brain food to help with the neurotransmitters talking to each other in your brain. So we want to make sure that we get plenty of protein in. And chicken is just a really great lean source of protein, so you get to add all your favorite fat sources to it, like maybe cheese or salad dressing like ranch, or maybe some avocado, maybe some guacamole, whatever is your favorite, definitely add it to that chicken. And some great ways to prepare it, you could just top a salad to make it more of a complete and full meal. You could top your favorite pasta dish with chicken. It's just a really great way to stabilize the blood sugar and keep you satisfied for longer if you're having that delicious pasta meal. Another great way is easy, quick sheet pan meals. Chicken is just something that is really quick and easy to prepare.